Hello, my name's Anne Trotter and I want to talk to you about Easy Air blend. Easy Air blend has peppermint oil, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemon and cardamom in it, and it's an excellent blend for soothing your respiratory system, helping your coughs, and it's an expectorant, compacts bacteria and viruses, and it's good for congestion in your lungs. And I have used it quite a lot during winter with my coughs and colds and flus, and it seems to immediately kind of relax my chest area, making me feel better, and helps me breathe a bit clearer. And also it's an expectorant, so it helps me cough up the mucus. You can put it on, put a couple of drops with some coconut oil, and you can apply it on your chest area, or you can put it on the bottom of your feet. It's or you can also put it in a diffuser, and it's antiseptic, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and it's very soothing. And this is a definite must-have for me to get through winter. It just really relieves my coughs and colds kind of better than anything else. So I just think it's fantastic. So it's very good for your respiratory system, and it's also good if you have sinus problems. You can put a drop or two in some coconut oil and put them on the side of your nose as well, and then that can help sinus issues as well. And so I would use it probably about 3 times a day, and I just find it really good. A must have for winter to get through the winter bugs, and you'll find that you'll want to use it for all the family, but for children just dilute it a little bit more. But it'll help relieve your winter bugs, and it's just fantastic. It's really good, so give it a go. I highly recommend it. Thank you.